Hello guys, today we're taking a quick look at the BoAt Aavante Prime 6250, a premium soundbar system built to bring a real home theater vibe into your living room. This is a 5.2.4 channel Dolby Atmos setup featuring the main soundbar, rear surround speakers, and dual subwoofers for serious low-end impact. The design is clean and modern, and setup is surprisingly simple once everything is placed correctly. The first thing you notice during movies is the wide, immersive soundstage. Dialogue stays clear and centered, while explosions and action scenes hit with real weight thanks to the deep bass from the subwoofers. With Dolby Atmos content, the height channels add extra dimension, making effects like rain or helicopters feel more spacious and surrounding. Even in chaotic scenes, voices don't get drowned out, which is a huge plus. For music, the system is tuned for fun and energy. Bass is powerful, vocals remain balanced, and instruments stay separated enough for an enjoyable listening experience. Gaming also benefits from the rear speakers, helping you locate footsteps and directional effects with solid immersion. Overall, the BoAt Aavante Prime 6250 delivers big surround sound, strong bass, and an easy theater-like upgrade for movies, music, and gaming, making it a great pick if you want immersive audio without building a full speaker system.